Okay, so here's a little before what we got going on here on this roof. Gonna put a new coating on it. First thing I did was to sweep it all off. Next, I'm going to apply the Activator on there. I'm using the quart product, and rinse that off, and then we go from there. Okay, so what I did was I took some Activator that you buy from quart, and you put it on there with a spray bottle. And I put that on there, and then you let it set for 15 minutes. You go and power wash it off, and I did that. Now you see the solar wires. What I'm doing there is holding them all up like this so that they won't be touching anything. And then I'll reinstall them afterwards. And also, I'm going to use a small roller to get underneath the solar panels. So I put the Activator underneath there, and additionally power washed underneath there. So it looks like it's just about dry and ready for the first coat of the quart roof sealing. So I'm going to get started on that. Okay, this is part 2 that I'm fixing to put on here. It's the acrylic coating, and it's white, and you have to be certain that you go and stir it 5 minutes. And so my wrist is tired from doing that. So now it's time to get up on the roof and get rolling. Okay, so the first step is to start cutting everything in with a brush. And so I'm working on that. I'm going to go around and hit all the edges. Got my brush here and taking the can around, and do everything where I can't hit with the roller. Alright, the next step that I'm going to do, and I'm hoping this is going to work to go underneath the solar panels, is I'm taking a roller, and I'm going to use a little bit of this on a roller, and then hopefully this is going to slide underneath the solar panels, and that's the plan. So let's just see how that works. Oh yeah, this is going to work dead well. I'm going to have to turn the camera off and get to this. So that's the trick. Okay, well I ended up just using the little roller on here because by the time I cut in on this small roof, there wasn't much left to do. So that's less cleanup. But that's the first coat that you can see now. And so I'm going to finish that up, let it dry, and put the second coat on. Alright, well there's the completed project. 2 coats on here. I still have to hook up the solar panels, but it did a very nice job. This is an old roof. It's a 2003 original. Sorry about the shadows and stuff here. I'm hanging off the ladder. But I just wanted to show you how nice it turned out. It was a pretty simple job, really. And it took me, I finished up at 3 o'clock. And so now it's sat out till the sun goes down, then I'll back it into the shed so that the dew doesn't settle on it for the night. And there you have it. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. This is the Homestead Handyman. If you like my videos, please subscribe and hit the old like button. Thanks. Bye.